What is up, you guys? It has been a long time since I have done a video of a car meet, but we are in Vegas. SEMA just ended today, and we are doing the Origins cruise, and then we're heading over to Houston's Hot Chicken. It's gonna be crazy. You guys got to check this out. This meet is wild. I'm just gonna walk around and show you guys what is going on.
There's so many cars.
There's a lot of trust right here.
A lot of trust, a lot of trust.
Dude, I didn't even see this earlier. It's so low to the ground, I just walked right by it. This was like, you know,
yeah.
This kind of caught my attention slightly more. And then I saw this one, yeah, I know. Crazy. Shit.
That's a pretty dude, not in the meat.
Seeing these seats makes me not feel so bad about the seats in my car.
Yeah,
you know?
Imagine putting 9 hours in that.
That's pretty badass.
That looks good on the camera? Yeah,
look at that.
Look
at it.
That's a street hunter. Street hunter. Sunny honey.
Yo, this seat looks so good in person.
I appreciate you keeping it real, man.
Yeah.
So, get in your cars, let's go. We're gonna hit Houston's Hot Chicken right now.
So we just got to Houston's Hot Chicken, and it is way more crazy here. I'm gonna start showing you guys all these crazy ass cars we got here. True story, Jack Ultramotive just walked up to me and said, "Hey, I watch your YouTube." And I was
I got bit in
dude,
the camera.
So Andrew got the clip, and so I'm gonna roll it right now, and we're gonna see if it's any good. But it was like super crazy to just have some like huge YouTuber walk up to you and say, "Is that your R8?
Yeah,
I watch your YouTube," and I was like, what in the world? So anyways, super cool guy. He comes to Roseville a lot, so we might host a car meet together. So fingers crossed that happens. But yeah, man, super cool guy. Really? I did a 800 build on a Jet 2.
It's Jack Ultramotive.
I know, and you're seeing it. What? Wait, what?
Wait, did you say that you know him?
I thought. Oh! I got that shit midair. Well, that was wild. I got me a shirt. That was sick. It's a small, but hey, I could be small. I mean, extra medium. 1 GTR, 2 GTR, 3 GTR, 4 GTR. Sheesh, look at that lighting, bro. Oh yeah, that Ferrari sounds good. Bro, this is a right-hand drive M4 wagon. I say, this meat is insane. Oh my God, it just does not stop.
I want one of these. All right. I gotta go.
Dude, Stephen Lewis! What is up, dude? Are you serious? You know me? Dude, you're the best. You're the man. Well, that was wild. I guess Stephen Lewis knows who I am.